Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to post longer videos on Instagram up to 60 minutes. If you're using Instagram and you want to post longer videos on your Instagram posts, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, you have to simply open your app store here, go for search. You have to search for Instagram and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates here, you have to try to update your app. So just tap on this update option and just wait for it until your update's completed. So once your app has been updated, now you can post up to 60 minutes longer videos. Instagram has recently updated feature that now you can easily post up to 60 minutes longer videos. So just tap on this plus option here and select post, and you just have to select any video which is almost 60 minutes longer. So you can also select anyone from here. In my case, I'm going to select this one. Tap on this next option. Tap on OK. Tap on next again. You can customize it or edit it if you want. Just tap on the share option. Tap on share, and it will be shared as your Instagram post. So in this way, you can easily post up to 60 minutes longer videos and your Instagram profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.